I am Shushmita and welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn about applications of chemical reaction from the lesson Chemical Reactions and Equations. Learning outcomes. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand about applications of chemical reactions, disadvantages of chemical reactions, safety and disposal of chemicals. Keywords: oxidation, corrosion. It is the process of decomposition of metals. Rancidity. It is the process of oxidation of fats, oils when exposed to air. Combustion. The process of burning of substances in presence of oxygen. Photosynthesis. Digestion. Cleansing. Fermentation. The process in which a substance breaks down into a simpler substance. Before starting this session, let's look at the concept map. Chemistry is all about chemical reactions. In your day-to-day life, you could observe many chemical changes. Chemical reactions are all around us. Combustion reactions help release energy to move our vehicles. Oxidation reduction reactions keep the batteries in our cell phones and laptops functioning. Acid-base reactions take place when cleaning your oven or removing a clog from a drain. Combustion. Combustion is a chemical process in which a substance reacts rapidly with oxygen and gives off heat. The original substance is called the fuel. Examples: the burning of a wax candle, combustion of LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, to cook, burning of coal or wood, burning of diesel or petrol to run the car, combustion in thermal power plants to produce energy for daily needs. Photosynthesis. In the presence of sunlight, water and chlorophyll, plants manufacture glucose from carbon dioxide and release oxygen into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and certain other organisms transform light energy into chemical energy. Digestion. Chemical digestion uses certain enzymes to break down nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into smaller molecules and gives out energy for the man to walk. This occurs so a person can absorb these molecules into the bloodstream. The process occurs in the mouth, stomach, and small intestine. Cleansing. Cleaning agents are compounds that are used to remove stains, dust, unpleasant odors, grime and other contaminants from surfaces. Cleaning with only water does not work effectively as the surface tension is too high. Soaps are the chemicals that are used to reduce surface tension that water can do its cleaning job effectively. Fermentation. Most people are aware of food and beverages that are fermentation products. Fermentation is a metabolic process in which an organism converts a carbohydrate such as starch or a sugar into an alcohol or an acid. For example, yeast performs fermentation by converting sugar into alcohol. Bacteria perform fermentation converting carbohydrates into lactic acid. Disadvantages of chemical reactions corrosion. Iron articles are shiny when new but get coated with a reddish brown powder when left for some time. This process is commonly known as rusting of iron. When a metal is attacked by substance around it, such as moisture and acids, it is said to be corroded, and this process is called corrosion. Corrosion causes damage to car bodies, bridges, iron, railings, ships, and to all objects made of metals, especially those of iron. Rancidity. Have you ever tasted or smelt the fat, oil containing food materials left for a long time? When fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid and their smell and taste change. When fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid and their smell and taste change. Usually substances which prevent oxidation, antioxidants, are added to food containing fats and oil. Keeping food in airtight containers helps to slow down oxidation. Chips manufacturers usually flush bags of chips with nitrogen gas to prevent the chips from getting oxidized. Safety measures. If a substance is hazardous, properly ventilate the area by opening the windows. If recommended, wear gloves, long sleeves and a mask. Safely store chemicals and medicines. Store chemicals where children cannot reach them or open them. Add clear labels to packages of chemicals. Avoid storing chemicals in drinking bottles. Dispose of chemicals and medicine in a safe way. Points to remember. Chemical reactions have wide variety of applications for the humankind. It is used in industries, food, beverages, medicines, cosmetics, textile and much more. Chemical reactions have both advantages and disadvantages. While handling chemicals, safety is the most important concern. Thank you for your patiently watching the video.